To many people's surprise, the Winthrop disc golf course is phenomenal and is loved and known by all professional disc golfers.
Like I said, this is my first time here, and I knew every single hole by heart. I knew all the distances. I knew every pin location, everything. I can tell you stuff that's happened over here on 18 back in 2007 before I was even playing golf. Like this is our Masters.
Disc golf players not only dream to play in the United States Championship, but to even play a casual round on the Winthrop course.
The disc golf course here at Winthrop is legendary and is known as one of, if not the best disc golf course in the world.
The course may seem direct at first, but once the championship rolls around, it's a whole different ballgame.
People say that it's a pretty straightforward course, year-round until they bring out the ropes and everything and set it up. And I think it really has to do with all the history here. The pillars of disc golf that have been here, that have won titles here, that have defended their titles here, everything, all the emotion that's tied into every hole.
There is no other disc golf course like the course at Winthrop. This is Josh Rogers, Winthrop Close-Up.